the exhaust on the truck. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take it down to an exhaust shop. Pretty much what we're going to do from there is we're going to take the two manifolds, we're going to bring them down underneath the firewall and then past the transmission and then connect them before the O2 sensor. Put them together, the O2 sensor will connect, it'll come back, it'll be catless, it'll have a, what's it called? A Dynomax Super Turbo muffler. And then leading back, it'll go over the rear axle and coming out behind the rear driver's side tire. Yeah, and it should be a fairly nice, fairly toned, really, really good quality exhaust. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we just got here, Jerry's muffler. Just gonna start the truck up, or attempt to. It's probably gonna turn over a little bit. Yeah, we're getting the exhaust today, so. Alright, so the truck is currently on the lift. Right here. Oh my god! Wow! Alright, now it's up to them. Solid, so.
What do you see?
It's a tip.
You see an exhaust tip?
I see a tip. It's silver.
No. Ooh.
Yeah, look.
How's it look?
Oh, there it is. Woo! Ah,
Your
look
exhaust.
at it. Come look at the cross pipe.
Let's have a look.
Look at the cross pipe. Right here.
Oh, they did a nice job.
That's
Nice, dude.
That's really nice looking. There's the O2 sensor there. Cross pipe goes behind, comes back into the Super Turbo, and then back out to right there. That's nice.
Flash it up.
Okay.
Hopefully it starts up nicer than it did before with the
hopefully.
blub 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 blub. That's all good. Put it in neutral right away, right? Oh, dude, that started up nice too.
Great. Yeah.
Give it a little rev. Sounds good.
You see me rolling. I should be doing this. I have the shakiest hand.
We're gonna take it off the trailer now.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay. Great off.
Okay, just let it coast. Go down and turn around and come back.
Bye. car.
Dude, you gotta watch your mirrors, man.
Now they're going backwards.
Go all the way to the end and turn around and come back.
Well, now we wait. He ain't getting out of that thing, is he? Someone is excited.
Dude, that thing rips. I love the sound it makes. You hit the throttle like 35. It's like, yeah. I got to like where the sold sign is over there, and I was like ripping it in second. I got to like 50. I was like, I should probably slow down.
I know, I saw you. I was like, Riley.
Wah!
Come on, chill out, man.
There you have it. With an exhaust and some machined heads, you have a working V6 again.
And hard work.
This is where the fun begins.
I'm gonna get hit. Can you hold this thing now?
Sure. You tired?
Yeah.
Woo. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Absolutely amazing.
Not fully, but
All right, Liam.
way better than last time.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah, lots of steps up since I've actually seen this thing.
Yeah, so as you can see, we got this on. This thing, these don't work yet, but they're on
Like
there.
the Hoonigan.
Yeah, we got the Hoonigan sticker.
Oh yeah. that's
Look
the one. Oh yeah.
Look, it's red.
I'm actually getting to see it all in person now, guys.
Yeah.
This is Riles right here. I actually get to see this all.
There you go. The YouTube content, you get to see it in person now. I'll show you the cool thing. We fixed this like literally like 2 days ago.
Oh yeah.
So we put this in here. It had its own glass and everything.
These
we also
stickers
took.
weren't on here before?
Yeah, so these stickers. This is the window from my old tailgate.
Oh yeah.
So, and we also rewired it. So now
Oh wow.
does that.
Cool.
And now I have an open window back here.
And the mega sub.
And the mega sub, as you all know.
Does this come down? Oh
Yeah.
I guess it would.
Yeah, here, look. So you pop the lock here, pull on this. Shoo.
Because the window came down. I was like, oh, is that all it is?
Nope, it pops open like that. And then you can sit on it like this.
There we go.
And this would be my lunch spot
Yeah.
for the school year. But yeah, that's the thing we fixed recently.
It's actually a very unique truck. Never seen anything like this before.
And it's not even done yet. It's
not even done.
It's gonna be awesome when it's finished.
You know, the run actually adds to the feeling.
Goodbye, mask.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
What do you think? That's a bug.
Nice.
He gave thumb. It means it's good.
Sorry, now his handprint is forever on your truck.
Yeah, forever there now. Beautiful specimen.
Oh, and our special guest, the bird crab.
The bird.
I'm
bird
too
guy.
big.
This boy's too big for this. His head is touching the roof.
I know hitting. Boom boom box.
Boom boom box. Look at it's still
Toyota pickups and 4Runner. Heinous repair manual.
Did you say
Tires on
anus?
3 tires.
Did you say anus repair manual?
Heinous, something.
What?
Okay. Okay, there we go. That is what I like to hear. You guys ready? No. Here, listen. No. Well done. Oh, that's hot. Right now, yeah.
And there you have it. It has an exhaust now. So, just to recap, pretty much, this has a linkage pipe right there. Goes from 2 manifolds from underneath and connects right here. Then it goes from the back here into a Dynomax Super Turbo. And then from the Dynomax Super Turbo goes out here and then comes out right there. And she sounds awesome. Yeah, and then the motor itself just needs to be run a little bit. It just kind of, just a little bit gunky from, you know, sitting for a year. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited.
He ain't getting out of that thing, is he?